I am currently an Assistant Attorney General for the state of North Carolina, where I represent the Division of Motor Vehicles. Prior to that, I was a Assistant District Attorney here in Wake County. And I focused on several areas of law, such as juvenile, which was one of the things that I was most passionate about, misdemeanor death by motor vehicles, pretty much every type of misdemeanor case I handled and tried. Personally, I'm a member of Vision Church. I'm a wife. My husband and I have been married for 5 years. We have 2 children, a 7-year-old and a 1.5-year-old, almost 2. So I'm just a regular person that happens to be an attorney who wants to serve our community as a judge, because I believe that I can bring a unique perspective to the Wake County bench. So outside the court, like I said, a district court judge should serve, I believe, both on and off the bench in the community. I believe that a judge should have compassion and understanding for every single individual that comes in the courtroom, whether it is the victim, the officer, the defendant, the attorney. Everyone that's in the courtroom plays a vital role and should be treated with respect and dignity. And also, through that compassion, the only way that you're really going to understand that to the person that comes in the courtroom, this is the most important situation that they're dealing with in their life right now. So even though the backlog might be heavy and you might be worried about several cases that you have to move off the docket, you have to remember that this person right here is a person. And the way that you do that is by engaging in the community throughout the week, throughout the year, consistently. I want to be a judge that's approachable, where people feel like they can come and talk to me. I want to speak to children and youth and let them know that they can do anything that they want to do, that they can persevere through any of their circumstances to be great in whatever that looks like. But you have to do that. And I think, like I said, to have a judge that's accessible to people, where they feel like they have a voice, or that this person cares about them, I think is extremely important. And that's something that I would definitely strive to continue to do. Well, when I'm elected, number one, like I said, I want to be accessible. So I want to make sure that I'm out in the community continuing to serve as I have been for the past several years. The other thing I want to do is make sure that we do have a courtroom that's respectful to everyone, that people feel comfortable in my courtroom, that they feel like justice will be served there, because they know that I will walk with integrity, once again, not only on the bench, but off the bench as well, that I'll hold everyone to the same standard that I hold myself, and that they will also hold me accountable, that I am doing the best job in that courthouse. So that is some things that I can definitely say. I want to make sure that I'm fair to everyone and treat everyone with respect, and follow the rule of law, that I make sure that I stay abreast of the changes in the law, the Court of Appeals, the Supreme Court, these rulings that come down, to make sure that I'm following that and make thoughtful, conscientious decisions. I won't be perfect, but I'll definitely try to get it right every time.